Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss one of the most important core concepts in C sharp, that is data types. If you are preparing for exam, if you are learning C sharp for development, this topic is absolutely essential. So let's get started. So what are data types? In C sharp, data types defined as what kind of data the variable can store, how much memory it occupies, and what operations can be done on the data. C sharp is a strongly typed language which means once a variable is declared, it can store another type of value with the proper condition. So, what is this C-sharp data types and versus ELN types? Here you can see data types include as primitive and non-primitive. Every C-sharp data type maps to a CLI, means common intermediate language type. For example, for integer, there is system.int32. For string, it maps to system.string. Boolean maps to system.boolean. This conversion happens automatically during compilation. All the data types are defined under the system like this. Integer data types. Let us first talk about integer data types. These data types are used. These data types are used to store whole numbers without any decimal byte. It occupies 1 byte of memory, stores values 0 to 225 to 55, and its default value is 0. Then S byte. It is also 1 byte, but it supports negative values from 1 minus 128 to 127. In short, it uses 2 bytes, and the range is minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. It uses when memory optimization is required. Then US sort. It also takes 2 bytes, but it stores only positive values, and the range is 0 to 65,835. Then comes integer, which is more commonly used. Its size occupies 4 bytes. Its range is minus 2 to the power 31 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1. Then UINT, same size of integer, but stores only positive values. Then comes long. It uses 8 bytes and is used for very large numbers. Then long. Its size 8 bytes and stores only positive values. So the important concept here you have to remember: signed integer and unsigned integer. Unsigned integer only stores positive values. Byte, usort, uint, ulong. Only positive values. Signed integers are sort, int, and long. Then we count the decimal or floating types. Next we have decimal floating point types used for values with decimal points. But it also provides and provides single precision. Now it uses 8 bytes, provides a double precision, and is more accurate than decimal. Uses 16 bytes, provides the highest precision. Decimal is mainly used in financial and monetary calculations because it avoids rounding errors. Then comes Boolean type. Boolean type occupies 1 byte. Stores either true or false. Default value is false. It is mainly used in conditions and decision-making statements. Then comes data time types. It occupies 8 bytes and is used to store date and time values. Default value is 1st January 0001 12 a.m. Yeah, you can check that by right answer if executing the code. Then comes GUID, the unique identifier, which starts from Gopal in unique identifier. It occupies the bit bytes, mostly used database like SQL Server. Its guide provides unique systems. Then comes character and string. Character. It stores single character, occupies two bytes, and supports unique characters. Default value is 0. String. It stores a collection of characters. Its default value is null and is a reference type. Strings are stored in heap memory. Then ASCII versus Unicode. ASCII supports only English characters, and Unicode supports all the characters. Basically, Unicode is new one, and it supports all the universal languages, each and every one, like from Odia, Punjabi, Hindi, Bengali, whatever it is, everything is present there. Then comes the base type. It is the actually father type, like it stores all the types. Object. So object is the base type. Object is in object we can store all the type values like integer, string, boolean, even custom objects. But using object reduces performance. So you should be careful. Now you have to remember what is primitive versus reference. You can set a primitive, it actually stores the actual value of the reference. Reactor is primitive are faster, reference are slower. Primitive the size is fixed. You cannot change the value, change the size after in declaration. But in reference, it is dynamic size, so you can insert as much data you want to insert.